Introducing another successful project from Rexline Engineering Indonesia, the Citra Palu Mineral Permanent Workshop Project, a fully integrated facility delivered through our comprehensive EPCM expertise. Designed across 3,180 square meters, this workshop complex combines operational efficiency with engineered durability. The facility includes a main workshop bay, workshop office, oil and B3 storage, Epiroc storage, small tire repair workshop, wash bay, and an integrated storeroom and ready lane, ensuring streamlined workflow and optimized asset management. We deliver office construction designed to enhance comfort, functionality, and productivity, creating a workspace where teams can perform at their best. Our on-site execution covers survey elevation and excavation, complete foundation works, bore piling, rebar and formwork, mobile batching plant operations, pre-assembly, structural anchoring, structural lifting and installation, mechanical also electrical systems integration, all delivered with strict quality and safety standards. Supporting the complex is a 1,200 square meter warehouse, purpose-built for optimized storage and material control. From engineering design to final installation, every phase reflects precision, compliance, and long-term performance. This is infrastructure engineered for reliability, delivered with EPCM excellence, built to power sustainable operations. Welcome to Rexline Engineering Indonesia. At the heart of operational excellence, precision engineering meets strategic execution.